Alright boys, we just passed the open weigh station sign. So I'm gonna give y'all a review on how this works. Once you got the open sign, I mean, you can choose to blow past it if you want to, but there's always a risk, you know, when it comes with that. I wouldn't recommend it, you know. But I know plenty of people that do, so. But when you do decide to come into the scale, I mean, you know, your paperwork's right, everything's good. Just go in here and get through it, you know. So 15 miles per hour, slow her on down. Boom, get that little camera, candy camera pick. This is one of those 3 mile joints, right? Where they want you to 3 mile per hour. Go on in. We know he's right there, so we're just gonna slow on down. Give him a little space, you know. Then you got your info up there on top left. Proceed slowly. So what we're gonna do is get on this bad boy. We're gonna crack our window just in case they want to talk. We'll slow it on down. We're basically gonna creep. We're gonna just creep on through here. Green the whole time. Alright. That's it, that's all. Alright, 90% of the time, maybe even 96% of the time that I go through the scale, I mean, if my axes are right, they really don't mess with me. The only time I have been messed with is if my weight is off. Like, that's the only time. And one time during Blitz Week, you know, Blitz Week, you know, they pick and choose, you know, so they got me on Blitz Week. I think I've been clapped more times on random cars, like random DOT officers, sheriffs, highway patrol, sitting around, you know, in the bushes or in the middle of the highway, and they just, you know, I don't know what it is. It's like they kind of discriminate a bit on trucks sometimes. I don't know, profile, I don't know. It might be, I feel like because I got the poster, the sticker poster, DOT numbers, you know, maybe that's more known for, you know, various companies. Maybe it's lease trucks, you know, they think that there may be more shadier companies, but I passed all my inspections, so I don't really worry about it too much. But yep, that's how you get through the weigh station. See y'all next time. You know, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Later.